Smileys and wine enthusiasts. I'm so excited. Today I have received my Scout and Cellar independent consultant package, and so now I'm about to unbox it with you. Let's see what we got. Ooh, so we have a wine storage bag. A wine tasting notebook, a sommelier's knife, some pens to write on the wine bottle, my 1 ounce pour cap, and my wine saver pump and oh, this slipped my mind. Pump and savers, vacuum savers. And next I have, let's open up the box and see. Ooh, a nice little welcome note. And these are my wines. And I'm so excited to taste and share these with you all. I have 2 whites. One is the first edition bookbinder Apprentice. And then I have a nice Sauvignon Blanc that does have a Stelvin cap. Well, the Stelvin cap and then the cork. Oh, I cannot wait to try these. And I love cabs. If you know me, I love cabs. And so I was sent the Gallivant 2018 cab. And lastly, the Field House Red Wine Blend. So I'm so excited to go on this journey, and I look forward to you joining me as well. Bye.